Today we'll be touring 424 Sky Lane in Forest Grove, Oregon. This property is currently listed for $629,000. It's just under 3,000 square feet, 5 beds, 3 baths. So this property has some of the best views under the price point of $750,000 in Forest Grove, Oregon. And we will step outside to just check out this deck and some of the beautiful mountains that you can enjoy when you're sitting out there looking. And it is more spectacular in person, I will say, so the video doesn't quite capture the quality of the views. Next, we'll move to the kitchen, which has been fully updated. Brand new countertops, appliances. Really, you could fit easily 3 or 4 people in the kitchen. And as we go down the hallway, there's a couple of spare bedrooms up on the main floor. These are good size, probably 12 foot by 12 foot approximately. And then this is the shared bathroom on the main floor. Next, we're moving to the primary suite. This is a really good size room that, again, the video doesn't quite capture how big the space is, but they have fit a nice primary bathroom in the corner with a full walk-in shower. Let's head downstairs to get to the lower level, and that is one of the main things about this property specifically, is it does have the opportunity for dual level living. So it's got the living room, fireplace, area for a formal dining room if you wanted, and then also has a pretty good built-in kitchenette right now. No stove or dishwasher, but certainly room to add them. So downstairs, we've got one other room that is, they're calling a bedroom, but it doesn't have an access window to outside, but there is a very large bedroom downstairs. And then this is the shared bathroom on the downstairs. This is gonna be the 3rd bath in the house. So let's head out the downstairs door to take a look at this lot. This is 0.39 acres, so you do have quite a bit of space outside, and there is pretty good access upstairs. I think that putting in a ramp would definitely improve value in the future, but a very nice property. And then this is the uphill side of the home, so you can see nice large trees that are put there. And overall, this property, again, just coming back to the views, this is really what's going to sell this home, along with the dual level living potential with a little bit of updating there. So thank you for joining me on the tour, and reach out with any questions.